My name is Rachel Traylor, and I live in Lubbock, Texas. I have 4 children, Jerry, Janae, Jaslyn, and Jayden. When I was 20 weeks pregnant, I was admitted to the hospital because my water broke. At 27 weeks, Jayden had grown so much, and we went ahead and had an emergency C-section.
Jayden had a very long hospitalization stay. It was about a year. Rachel was going through a very hard time, as any mother would, but she was a fighter.
He had bad lungs and had to have a tracheostomy. He had to have a feeding tube placed in his stomach because he couldn't eat by mouth.
He was very fragile where we couldn't even touch him. Within the first 6 months, I couldn't never touch my baby, only through the incubator.
Jayden had chronic lung disease. He had pulmonary hypertension. He came very close to coding multiple times.
Some of the things I did to help Rachel and her son was to educate Rachel on some resources like Medicaid medical transportation and SSI, which is like disability for the baby.
We don't look at just the hospitalization. We look at the baby as a whole and their long-term care. And so we want them to have the best care possible.
The past couple years have been an uphill battle, but thankfully Jayden is getting better and stronger.
These kids would not get the help they need if it weren't for Texas Medicaid.
Texas Medicaid works because there's so many kids out there who without it would get no medical care, no dental care. Kids would be just forgotten. Texas Medicaid assists families who couldn't otherwise afford the care that these kids need.
I'm thankful to First Care because they're able to provide services and they're able to make sure that our children are cared for. And despite all the hardship and everything that we've been through, I'm thankful that we do have our health and we have Jayden still, and he's an inspiration to us all. And I'm just thankful for life.